Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download Anaconda software and how you can install it and how you can get started with it for writing Python program. Let's jump in. First I open the browser. I have to open Google. Then I have to type Anaconda Python. Okay, let me pick this. Anaconda. Then I have to select the required software. For me, I'm using the Windows. I have to select Windows. If you're using Mac, you have to install on Mac and so on. You have to download the installer. Then you click on here. Here you have a window. You click on it. Now it is being downloaded. If you are done with downloading, what you do, you have to go where it has been downloaded. Maybe then you can have it. I already have it. Then what you do, you double click on it. Then you have to click on Run. For me, I already have it. Let me click on cancel. Then if now the software is installed, what you have to do, you have to go here. Then you will see Anaconda 3 in your program. Then you click on this. Then here you can see you have so-called Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda PowerShell, Anaconda Prompt. Please click on your Anaconda Prompt. So the first thing that you have to do is to create the environment where you are going to work with, or in another way you can say it's like the project environment where your files and the libraries are going to be stored. Let me first create environment. You have to use a package manager called Conda. Let me say create. Put your name. Then you put the name of environment. Let me say it is AI class. So what I do now, I can even specify what Python I'm looking for in this environment. It is 3.9, for example. Then I click enter. Then I have to wait a little bit so that the environment is gonna store it. You have to say yes, you want to continue. So now that is installed. So we can check now if really the package or the setup has been installed. What you do now is say conda and vlist is the command for checking the available environment. So we can see we have AI flowship, AI class. It is now created. We have yellow, we have red me, and so on. Now the environment has been created successfully. So what is the next step? The next step now is to activate the environment so that we can work with it. So use conda activate, then you determine the name of the environment. You remember we created the environment called AI class. Now you can see we are working with AI class. Then up to this point, you need now to install an editor that you are going to use for running Python codes or for writing machine learning project. So now I prefer to use the Jupyter notebook. So for installing the Jupyter notebook editor, what you do is say conda install Jupyter notebook. You have to wait. Yes, you have to confirm you want to proceed. So we are done. Now the next step is now to open the Jupyter notebook. You have to type the word Jupyter notebook. It will be opened into the browser. Now it is opened. What you do, you have to select where you want to put your code. Let me say you want to create a new folder on my desktop. Oh, sorry. Let me say I want to create a new folder. I click here new. I select folder. So now what I do, I have the folder here. I have to rename it. It's AI class. Then I have to open this folder. Then I have to open the editor with Python 3. So now the editor has been created successfully. So you can start writing Python code. So guys, this is how to get started with the Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, and Python programming. Let me assume now you are done with the today's session. Maybe you want to close everything. Then later you want to come back. What you do? You have to close this. You have to leave. You close everything. Then for the next year, what you do? You have to click here again. You click on Anaconda 3. Then you look if you can find the Jupyter notebook you have created already. Here you have Jupyter notebook AI class. You have to click on it. It's gonna be opened. So after being opened, you can go there to the folder you have created. If you want to continue to work with them, it is called the AI class. Then you can open the Jupyter notebook you were using. Guys, this is the end of the session. I hope you have enjoyed. Let's meet in the next session. Don't forget to click on subscribe, share, and like. Bye.